Oh ho, this one is very nice, Robo. Oh ho, this one is a talking Tom. Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals and toys. So let's go for collecting. Here is the first one. This one is a orange color. I collecting in my bucket here. And that is the another one. Is a green color. Hey. And here is the very big one, is the yellow color. And that is the next one. This one is a blue. And this one is the pink color. Oh. And here is the another one, is here I collecting. And that is the another one, is a green color also. And here is the very big one, is a yellow color. I collecting this one outside here. And that is the last one, is a orange color. I collecting in my bucket. So guys, all of animals collecting in my bucket. So let's go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and here is my all of toys and animals. So that is the first one I clean. Oh ho, this one is a rooster. Collecting this rooster here. And there is the next one. Hey. This one is an orange color. Oh ho, this one is very nice, Robo. Collecting this robo here also. There is the another one, is here. Oh ho, this one is a goat. I collecting this goat here. Next one. Oh ho, this one is a talking Tom. Collecting outside here. And that is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a very nice robo.
Okay.
Collecting this robot here. And that is the another one. Oh, this one is the sheep. I collecting the sheep here outside. That is the next one. Oh, this one is a rat.
कितनी मेहनत से उसने खेती की थी, सारे खेत बर्बाद हो रहे हैं। क्यों ना हम इसकी कुछ मदद करें।
Collecting this rat here. And that is the another big one. Oh, this one is a elephant. And by collecting this elephant here, and that is the last one. Oh, this one is a monkey. Collecting this monkey here. So guys, all of animals collecting at sites. See you soon with next time.